guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be speaking about hair masking. It is like on fire. Everybody is talking about that, doing it, and obviously getting results from it. I've seen so many videos of so many YouTubers and bloggers, practicing this hair masking and getting good results. So I thought, why not? Also, I already had this plum hair mask at my home. This was gifted to me. So my brother last year on my birthday had gifted to me an entire range of plum. So this was one of the products in it. So I thought, I have it, so why not use it and maybe review it for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So while choosing your hair mask, one of the important things that you have to keep in mind is what is your hair type. Now my hair type is I have silky hair. Also, like this birthday, I had turned 30 and my hubby had got my hair colored. So now I have to keep in mind that whatever hair products I buy or I try or I use on my hair, they have to be something related to, the products which are good for chemically treated hair. And luckily, last year this mask was gifted to me by my brother, and this year it is written that this is a hair mask which is also good for chemically treated hair. So I can use it. So especially if you have colored hair, do keep in mind to use only products which are meant for that. Otherwise, it might fade out your color in the longer run. So yes, also one more thing is if your hair is dry or if you have a hair fall issue, accordingly identify your hair type and your hair issue and choose your hair mask. There are a lot of hair masks in the market right now, and y'all don't have any scarcity in choosing the options that you need according to your hair type. So do your research correctly, and you can choose out of the products which you find suitable for your hair. So okay, now let's decide about the technique. Now coming to the technique of applying the hair mask. So out of the videos which I have seen, I am not a pro in applying it because I haven't done it often, till so many years. So I do apply oil overnight and I wash my hair the next day. So I have not done this hair masking quite often, but yes, I have done my research and whatever videos I've seen of YouTubers or bloggers, how they are applying it. So I'm going to use the same technique and try it out. So as what I have seen, what they do is they partition their hair into two sections. So comb your hair, brush your hair and comb your hair properly. I'm just looking out for my brushes. Have a middle parting from here. I mean, this technique makes it a little easier to reach all areas of your hair easily. Like the back side, the front side, the sides of your hair. Now let this partition go deep till your back. And bring all your hair ahead. Do remember to comb your hair, remove all your knots, let your hair be really good and smooth before you apply this. So it will make it easier. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, instead of starting from the front, because once you apply it on the front, it becomes difficult to manage this front hair while you're doing your back. So what I will do is, I will take the back section before and start applying my hair mask in the back section. And then I will come to my front section, which I put behind, and then I'll merge both of them, because as you start applying, they all will flatten out, and then it becomes easy for you to get control of your hair and its flow. So then it becomes easier. just keep twisting it every now and then so you get access to all the areas, and it is all under your control then. It's very easy. I used to think this is a very fussy task, so half of the times I used to avoid it because I thought it is really fussy and I don't want to do so much of hassles and all. So I just used to apply oil and then just get rid of it the next day. But now I know a few easy techniques which is motivating me to use these products. Yeah, I've also heard a lot about the onion hair mask by Mamaearth. I've not really tried it, but maybe someday if I get a chance to try and review it, I will surely make a video out of it and I will give it to you guys. So yeah, this is like, I think my one section is done. Oops, I have dropped some. Any which ways, I am a little fussy with that. Okay. So once you're done, yeah, there is clearly some on my face. Similarly, I'll be doing this side and then getting back to you. Till then, chill. Thing happened. I did not actually realize that this is the case. I should have checked. This mask was just about to get over because I had used it a couple of times before. So I did not realize that it will not be enough for my hair length. So what happened is, luckily I had another mask. So half of it I used plum and the remaining half I used some other mask, which I think my mother-in-law had given me since she does not use much, and so she had just passed it on to me in case if it comes to any use for me. So yes, I have used that today. So it's like multi-hair masking. So I've already heard about multi-face masking. Like you apply different face masks on your face according to the problem areas. I think the same can be done with your hair. I think why can't you multi-mask with your hair? So I think yes, I've discovered something in the process. So everything happens for good. And so yeah, I'm quite done and sorted. And now I also realize that now I am already done with my hair, and I any which ways have to wait for I think almost 15-20 minutes for sure. It's like if you keep it for half an hour it's too good, but I think at least 15 to 20 minutes for sure for it to act. So why not use and multitask during this time? So I'm already done with my hair. I'm also thinking of applying a face mask on my face so that, because both of their wait time is nearly the same, 15-20 minutes. So you know, my wait time will be utilized for both my face and my hair, so it will be like a complete kind of a spa day feeling for me. So yes, I'll be back after applying my face mask, and then I'll be talking to you. Bye bye. Hey, I'm back, and clearly I'm looking like a ghost. Please don't mind. But yes, what I wanted to show was that along with hair masking, also go for face masking. So both of them are done like together, and you do not have to wait separately for both of them, and you can then directly go for a shower. Preferably today is Sunday, where the day which I'm filming. I do not know when this video will be put up, so I'm mentioning this. I usually prefer doing this kind of a routine on Sundays because that's the time when y'all are a little relaxed with your schedule. So professionally, I am like working with an IT firm, so I do not have any time during my weekdays, and I really am always running late. So all these extra things, you know, to take care of yourself, I can only do during Sunday. And so what I do is, before taking a shower on Sunday, I apply a face mask, I apply a hair mask, I do whatever needs to be done, if I have to do my eyebrows or if I have to get my nails done. So right now I'll be doing the same thing. I'm already done with my face and my hair, but what I've realized is I've really bad nails. All my nail paint that I had applied are chipped off. So I'll utilize this time in removing them off, and I'm not planning to apply any new nail paint as such, but yeah, let's see. I am planning to just give it a break. I mean, I want to give my nails a bit of a break from nail paints. So yes, I'll just remove them and I'll be done. Otherwise, you can also utilize this time to like really file your nails or to apply some new nail paint. So all of them will be done together, and you will be like you'll be doing more in less of time. Your nails would be done, your like hair would be done, your face would be done, so all in one go. So it's like a good deal. And I think all the millennials, they have to do such kind of multitasking and multi-masking to, you know, really manage their time, because I think each and every one of us have lot of things to do in a day, even like on a Sunday. So yeah, I think this is the best technique which I have figured out to do many things at a time. But yeah, also Also, if you all do not want to do so much, you all can go the other round as well. So what you can do is, if you have only been doing this to get some relaxation, so just identify your aim while you're doing this to yourself. If you are doing this to give yourself some relaxation from the week, so then completely don't multitask. Just apply your face mask, your hair mask, and then just cover up your hair and just then, relax, go to sleep for 15-20 minutes, or just lie down with your eyes closed and listen to some good music. I mean, it's up to you, like to each his own or her own. So yeah, I can leave that to you guys, what you want to do. You all can decide for yourself. And yeah, but one thing, as I mentioned, if you're lying down on your bed or you're just leaning somewhere, then make sure you cover your hair up, because otherwise you will end up staining the surface that you're going to touch with your hair. And after that, after 15-20 minutes, you can take a shower. While taking shower, you can apply your shampoo, wash it once or twice, whatever is your need, and then just apply some conditioner. And what I would prefer is that if you are not in a hurry on a Sunday, then let it air dry. I mean, do not go for a blow dry or some heating tools, or air drying and using some heat on your hair, because you've already done something good to your hair and you don't want to reverse it by giving it heat. So at least for that day, I feel, please, if possible, do not use any heat. Do not let any heat come to your hair or touch your hair. So yeah, that's it. So maybe I'll just wait. I'll just clean up my nails and I'll take a shower and I'll be back post that. Yeah, so stay tuned. So you can see I have washed my hair and I'm going to let it air dry. So after that, I'll show you what the final result is. So yes, I'll definitely shoot after some time when my hair is completely dry and I have removed all the knots to show you all what the final product looks like. And also, I'll be telling you the price of this Plum product which I have used. And I think it will be available on Amazon or Nykaa, so you can easily buy from there if you want to use it and if you think it suits your hair type. And also, I also wanted to tell you this, that this video is not sponsored at all. Clearly, I do not have many followers right now, so I've just started with my YouTube channel and I do not have so many followers that brands will come to me for sponsorship. So y'all can rest assured that this is my genuine opinion which I'll be giving you. And so yeah, I'll get back to give you the final result. Hey guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, my hair is dry now and I have combed it, and I am so impressed. I'm just touching my hair every now and then because it feels so smooth. And even while washing, the hair fall was visibly less, and even when I comb my hair, I mean, there's actually no hair. So I think this is because this is not my first use. As I told you, it was about to get over. So I have used it a couple of times before. Don't expect this result in the very first use. Nothing works in its first use so well. You have to get consistent with it. So yeah, I think this was my 4th or 5th time I applied this mask, the same one, Plum, and now it's over. But if I have to give my final verdict about it, I think it did a pretty good job. And the final price, yeah, I was about to tell you the price on Amazon. I just checked, it was for around 660 rupees. So I think for 660 rupees, this is a good deal, and I would really give it a thumbs up, and I would like to order it again. So yeah, this is my final review. But yes, do check whether it's suitable for your hair type before buying it. This was purely recommended based on the results that I saw on my hair. So yeah, do your research before you buy. And if you want me to keep making such videos or reviews, do let me know. Till then, bye bye.